Number 7 is not asking questions. While it can be difficult to know what kinds of questions to ask during your legal consultation, and that's understandable, I encourage you, though, to take time to prepare and to think about it before you meet with the lawyer and to write those questions down so you won't forget. If you make a point of staying curious, you're going to listen more carefully and completely. If you're seeking an estate planning attorney, you're likely dealing with unfamiliar terms, complex and stressful issues. This can make anyone's mind a little cloudy when it comes time to discuss these issues with the estate planning attorney. Having a list of those questions you feel are important, prior to choosing an attorney is going to ensure that you leave with the answers you need and you don't forget anything important. So what are some of those questions? I'll give you a few. Ask the estate planning attorney about their practice. What is their focus? How long have they been focusing on this area of the law? Do they exclusively work as an estate planner, or are they more of a general practitioner where they have, 6, 7, 8, practice areas? What's going to be the investment that's required in order for you to work with that particular firm? Can they tell you what to expect from the process? Another question is, how are they going to communicate with you? Some firms like ours use virtual conferencing for our meetings. Our business model is that we share documents with our clients through a secure client platform. We don't mail documents. So you need to make sure that you are comfortable with that arrangement. It's efficient, it's earth friendly, and a number of other reasons, but that works for our clients. And if you're interviewing an attorney, you need to make sure that their business model is something that you're comfortable with. Now, here are some things that you should ask yourself. And probably you'd ask yourself this, after the meeting. What was your first impression of the attorney? Do you feel that she is knowledgeable and experienced? Are you comfortable with allowing them to craft your estate plan? And do you feel that there's a connection between you and that attorney? Remember, particularly in estate planning, we are dealing with very personal, sometimes very emotional, not just financial issues. Like I said, kind of like going to the doctor, we go into the heart of you and your family. So you're allowing this estate planning attorney into that world, and you need to be comfortable with the person that you ultimately choose. Now, I want to share some final thoughts. My final thoughts on this is that if you've taken the time and made an investment to reserve an appointment on an attorney's calendar, don't you owe it to yourself to do everything that you can to get the most out of that experience? I think so. In closing, I want to thank you for tuning in to this episode of Women Winning Wednesdays. Feel free to go to our YouTube channel at Elsa W. Smith Law. Don't forget to click and subscribe and be notified for all future videos and episodes of Women Winning Wednesdays. I'm Elsa W. Smith, your Maryland estate planning attorney, empowering women through estate planning. Thank you so much for joining us on this episode. I'll see you soon. Be well.